It's recording. It's 1 seconds. Go to the slide so you can see its face better.
C'est trop chaud, il en est avec sa bouche.
It's really good.
T'as vu, il fait
I wonder if he gets a headache.
Several minutes ago it wasn't even a hole.
T'as entendu le bruit qu'il a fait?
Yeah, he's really fast. My
Il a fait Thierry.
Quel est mignon.
Petit homme.
Vas-y, fais.
He picked a tree that looks like it's dead.
Yeah, they usually do that tree.
I wonder why. This tree might
This
be
how God created
No.
them.
Vas-y.
Because they want really worms and different other creatures to eat.
then they would be in a dead tree more than a
Yes,
live tree.
yes.
Mais je sais,
Maybe a recently dead tree.
Oui.
il est trop mignon.
He's definitely
Yeah.
he's getting something, I think.
Yes, yes.
You can zoom
How
in.
to stop?
Zoom in.
I am zooming.
Okay, push the red button again to stop.
Uh-huh.
Actually, I'm sorry, push the picture button.
Yeah, that's why. Because in Canada we do like
Push the picture
we
button.
cannot approach them like this.
Really?
No,
See the
never.
picture button or the red button?
They don't even see the
Oh,
grand
Oh, I'm sorry,
Woodpecker
it's
is like
the red
very
button.
rare.
That's cool. You can take pictures while doing video.
Yeah, cool.
That's way cool, actually. I've never heard something like that.
But here they are